Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Today I am bringing you the first video for the month of January for this 3 Rivers challenge. Now I am participating in the 3 Rivers challenge. If you want to know more about that, click on the hashtag, and I'll also leave a link for one of Jessica's video who creates the Pantry challenge. And she kind of explains more about how she goes about and doing this challenge if you want to participate. Anyways, I am so excited to be joining in on this Pantry challenge this year. I've done it for the last 2 years, and it's just a really great way to know your pantry and kind of figure out where you're lacking and not lacking. And for me, my main focus when I do this pantry challenge is to definitely focus on using up stuff. Now, I definitely know where I lack in my pantry, and that is in growing enough vegetables to actually last me throughout the winter or the year. So working on trying to figure out how much I need to grow to preserve and save away in my freezers or can it that lasts us long enough. So I have never fully just stayed away from the grocery store. I think like a lot of people do. I've always given myself a budget, and this year I am going to try not to go to the grocery store, but I have a young son and I do need to meet his needs. So going to the store for dairy and whatever vegetables I need will be a necessity for me. Now we will see how far I can get this month with vegetables, because I do have a lot readily available in my garden right now that I can pull from. I have some cabbages that are close to being ready. I have lots of Swiss chard. I even have lettuce that is still alive somehow. Anyways, so just some things that I can definitely go to first. Now, some things, some tips that I try to follow when doing the pantry challenge is, especially the first maybe week or two of the pantry challenge, really focusing on the most perishable things. So things that are directly in my refrigerator that could go bad a lot sooner, fresh fruits and vegetables that might be sitting on the counter. And then the next thing I try to focus on when it comes to a pantry challenge is just really thinking through what's in my freezer, making sure it's not sitting there too long. I tend to, when I make a meal and I have the extras and I don't think we're going to eat it right away, I tend to throw it in the freezer. So just focusing on using stuff up like that. And then if you watched one of my latest videos, I did a video on things I love and things that I will never can again. And those items in that video are definitely 5 items that I want to focus on using this month. They're just things that I've canned in the past that I don't love and I probably would never can again, and I don't want them to go to waste. So we're going to try to incorporate those in some meals. Now, going into 2020, I really do want to become a lot better at making sourdough. I've made sourdough for a long time, but am I the best at it? No. I mean, I don't know if anyone is, but I just kind of fly by the seat of my pants when I cook sometimes, and sourdough, that comes into my sourdough making. And so a lot of the times my loaves turn out a little flat or not so beautiful as they should be. And so I really do want to refine that skill. And something I've been wanting to do for a while is fully get away from buying bread products. Now I've done that almost completely when it comes to just bread, but if it's like a tortilla or something, we still buy it. So just the smaller things, being really intentional about making things that we want and not buying those bread products from the store anymore. So I have made homemade tortillas, but I haven't made them in a while, and I do want to make some homemade tortillas for maybe some enchiladas here soon. So hopefully you'll see some sourdough making in this pantry challenge. So I encourage you guys, if you are following along for these videos and trying to challenge yourself for this January's pantry challenge, I encourage you to click on that hashtag. There's so many other people that join in on this hashtag, and you can find so much inspiration. So thank you guys for following along with my videos. I have been extremely blessed with the following I've had, and you guys have just been such an inspiration to me, and you guys give me a lot of good ideas too. So keep those comments coming and all your guys' good ideas, and I am excited to join in on this pantry challenge and bring hopefully some good inspiration for you guys. Whatever your focus might be for this challenge, whether it's not going to the grocery store at all or just focusing on using up some things, I encourage you guys to do it. It really does set the year off right, to really just not waste your food. We need to be more diligent about not wasting things, in my opinion. And it's just good for me to start the year off by really focusing on using up some of those things that might just get pushed in the back of the freezer or the pantry. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know this video is a little different than previous videos I've done. I usually explain what I'm doing, but I just wanted to chat with you guys today and kind of tell you my just thoughts and ideas for this challenge for me. So thank you guys so much for following along, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye.